Like, really? Wow. I love it so much. Oh, I love this one too, though. This one, oh my God. This is a propagation, and it is just, I don't know. I'm in love with my plants. I love them so much. Okay. Hi, how are you? I thought I would talk to you guys today about plants that are just bringing me absolute joy. So that's what I'm sharing with you today, and I hope you enjoy it. And in the comment section below, if you could let me know what plants are bringing you joy, that would be amazing. I love connecting with you guys, and I want to hear from you. If you want to reach out to me on Plant TikTok, I'm on TikTok, and I'm also on IG. So come see me there. Also, if you're new here, hi, I'm Krista, and I am so glad that you are here. Check out some of the plant content. Let me know what you think. And if you're interested, go to plantlux.com and be notified when we launch our website. Thank you guys so much for all your support here on my channel and beyond. It's just been so wonderful, and I am so grateful. So thank you very much. And I'll just get right into it. Plants that bring me joy. Yay, let's do this. So the first plant I'm going to talk about is this really beautiful maranta, Leucanara curtiviana. I think it's variegata. Maybe not this one, but this one is. Ooh, I almost dropped it. This one is the variegata. Just absolutely gorgeous foliage. Just look at that beautiful, magnificent foliage. I have one more. I love this plant. Isn't it beautiful? And some people don't like marantas, and I understand, but I have some tips because these all did not have foliage. Believe it or not, like 2 months ago, they were foliageless because I was so busy, and I had a lot of stuff going on, and my watering regimen was way off. And some of the bigger plants can handle it, but some of the more fragile plants, they their leaves die. I shouldn't be laughing, but what I'm saying is, just look at how beautiful this came back. I cut it down. It didn't have any leaves, and look at this guy. I just am in love with it. The leaves are gigantic, and I love the contrast and the color. So pretty. It's just so pretty. I love it. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you because, I thought it was dead, and I just decided to keep the pot and keep watering it and see what would happen. So it did. All the foliage came back, and it grew back even more beautiful than it was before. And I was like, what? Anyway, another tip that I've learned is that for maranta or calathea, I put the water in the pot like the day before or 2 days before. I let the water set in the pot, and apparently, the minerals or whatever is bad for the plant ends up, I guess evaporating, and you won't get the brown edges. I don't have any brown edges on these guys, so I'm assuming that it's working. And this is from scratch, so I don't see any brown edges. So I guess it works. So just put the water in the can the night before, and there you go. So my next plant that's bringing me joy is a new one, and it is a Hoya Vertusa. I love it. It reminds me of Easter so much, the grassy look. So this guy has so much interesting texture. Check that out. My God, it's amazing. I love it. It's just so cool, so different and unique and crazy looking. I don't know, I just love it. Anyway, this is a plant, Hoya Vertusa again, that I just think is cool. And it's really hard to find, and I was so happy that I saw it. I hadn't gone plant shopping in probably a year. I don't know, I've just been so busy. So when I saw that, I was like, yes, I have to have it. Actually, my daughter picked it up for me. I saw it online, and I had her drive to the location and pick it up for me. Yeah. Thank you, Taylor. All right, the next plant that I want to share with you, because again, it's like it's bringing me joy story. because I thought I killed it and I didn't, thank God. This is a propagation from my Monstera Adisonii narrow form. And it's looking pretty nice right now, but we are talking about a plant that had I mean, when I say no foliage, I meant it was just sticks in there, stems. Like I said, I was very busy and I missed a few plants and this was one of them. And I thought maybe there's a chance, you know? So I cut back the foliage and because it was all brown and dead. And then in a month or two, I don't know how much time went by, but my propagation came back and now it's growing really well and there's so many new growth points in there. I don't know if you can see them, guys, but they are just popping everywhere. It is doing really well and I'm paying attention to it. So I'm back on horse. But yeah, so this was a moment of joy for me watching this thing just grow, and I kept it close by. So one is this super cute, I know this pot has a lot of patina on it. I like it. Anyway, this is from Taylor. This is from her Hoya Vertusa. Taylor's my daughter, for those of you who are new to my channel. She's also a plant lover like myself. Anyway, she took this cutting, it was so super tiny, from her mother Hoya Vertusa compacta Hindu rope plant. And so this is one of mine. Okay, so I love it, very sentimental, this one. But this is my new one. I love this thing so much. Look at this, guys, oh my God. And you know, she picked it up for me, like I said, so it's no secret here, okay? I love it. I am so in love with this. Look at this thing. It is so cool. Oh my God. Anyway, it's super hard for us to find these in our area. So when I saw this one was available in our area, I was like, please go get it for me. I want that plant. So here it is. And yeah, I'm just loving it. Anyway. So another plant that's bringing me a lot of joy is this guy behind me. He's a big guy. I'm gonna bring the camera just a little bit closer so you guys can kind of see what's going on with this one. This is my rojo congo, and it is kind of a big guy. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, but you know, he's bringing me joy. And there's a couple of other rojo congos that I have in the house, and you know, rust spots, it's like the devil, and I've been trying to figure that out. I have a rojo congo that had rust spots, and it spread to one of my philodendron Birkins, and I didn't really know what to do with it. I've been treating the rust spots with, you know, different botanical pesticides and trying to figure it out. You're supposed to cut the leaves off of them though. I just can't do it. I cannot cut these leaves off of this plant. I'm sure you can understand, but it's bringing me joy. Anyway, so this plant is just, I am loving the texture of the leaves. It just has so much interesting character about it. Look at that beautiful leaf. It is just so heart-shaped. Look at that. It's really a pretty leaf. I love it. Anyway, this plant brings me joy every time I look at it. How could it not, right? Look at this guy. Loving it. Love it so much. Oh, okay. So another plant that's bringing me joy is really awesome silvery colored string of hearts, and it is just absolutely cool. The leaves on this string of hearts in particular are just gigantic. They are so big. And I am looking at this thing and I cannot get over how big the leaves are. And I'm wondering is that because of the jacks? It might be, but the leaves on this guy are huge for a string of hearts, in my opinion. I don't know. Beautiful, just beautiful. Look at that. God, that is so pretty. I love it so much. Anyway, this is bringing me a lot of joy. I did chop it and make more plants out of it. It was really long, but I couldn't help myself, you know, because it just looks so pretty and I wanted to make more plants. So that's what I did. I made more plants. Okay, so, hello. Okay, this guy right here, this is a Stromanthe Trio Star, sorry. And yeah, it's not perfect, but it is so pretty. Look at all those cool colors and everything. I just think this thing is so pretty. Anyway, so the reason it's bringing me joy is because I killed like 5 of these things until I got the hang of it. And oh my God, I love it so much. I'm so proud of myself for keeping it alive. And I did, I spent so much money on these things. I ordered them from different places and everything. And then I was at Lowe's one day and I picked this up for like $6. Dang, look at this thing. And I was at the end of my rope with them. I'm like, I love them. I want to keep them alive. But I was like kind of reticent because I was like, well, I've killed 5 of them, so maybe I shouldn't spend that $5 or $6 or whatever it was. But I did, and this was a year ago, and it's still alive. Yay me! Just reason to celebrate. Anyway, this plant's bringing me a lot of joy. I love it so much, and I've just, yeah, anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys. And the last plant that I wanted to share with you, there's other plants that are bringing me joy too. Well, there's actually 2 more that I wanted to share with you. The first one's my Monstera Adisonii propagations. They are off the charts. I do not know how I am going to keep these things in my house anymore because they are so big. Let me show you. So, if you can see, these are, so here's me. This is my plant chaos in my study. But look at this giant. I mean, I am like, I don't even know. I'm always stepping on the aerial roots. The aerial roots are everywhere. I'm not complaining, but I really do live in a jungle. So, you know, like, it's just like, where am I? Like, I can't, these plants. Yeah, so anyway, this guy he's a big one, and I absolutely love it. I love him. He's bringing me joy. Look at those, the fenestrations are amazing. God, that leaf is so cool. Let's see if I can get the top of it. Look at that. God, it's beautiful. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I love it. I need a greenhouse. It's what I need. I need a greenhouse. Okay, all right, good. I can't even, it's so big I can't get it in the film, in the picture. Look at this. Look at this thing. I love it so much. Oh my God. Isn't it, how could I, like, really? Wow. Love it. Look at it. It's having a baby. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Look, it's a new baby right here. Look at this thing. Look at that. Look at that. That thing is amazing. And it's coming off of the most giant leaf, of course. I love it so much. Oh, I love this one too, though. This one, oh my God. This is a propagation, and it is just, I don't know. I'm in love with my plants. I love them so much. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today on the Plants That Bring Me Joy episode, where I share with you what plants are really making me feel some joyful moments, and I'm so glad that you could be here with me today. So remember, go to plantlux.com, sign up to be notified when plants are ready. I have been posting on TikTok and Instagram the propagations and all that for the plant shop. So I've got some straight up turtles, I've got some of these, I've got Hoya Carnosa Crimson Princess and Queen, and oh gosh, Monstera Deliciosa. Oh, there's so many different things. A string of turtles, you know, Peperomia prostrata. Raphidophora tetrasperma from my mother plant. All of these are from my mother plants, obviously. I don't have any drop shipping type thing with a plant. I don't have a grower, so it's just literally plants that I've grown myself or that I just have in my possession that I'm propagating. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.